This bridge was built in 1948. It's 71 years old. It's in poor condition. The beams are starting to rust through. Back wall's broken. We need to replace the entire structure. The most cost-effective method is to replace the bridge, is to remove the bridge, replace it with embankment, dirt, compact the dirt underneath it, do away with the bridge entirely, and pave a new section of roadway on top. Traffic will be maintained one lane in each direction during the entire construction process. The road will be closed down 1st of April, and it will remain closed through the 31st of July this year.